Nnamdi Kanu does not have a business. That is what President Darlington said. That Nnamdi Kanu does not have a business. Well, this one last year, because no be me talk am. Now them they talk am by themselves. It's all about money. All the gra, all the ginger is all about money. All the people who die, they die for nothing. Not be even for Biafra self. They just die for nothing. Die for person who no get work, person who no get business, person who no get anything when they do. No wonder when they talk say, now Wazike give am money when he take go marry. And I confirm am. Truth is now coming out, small. So you no get business, because they calavant anyhow, because they threaten everybody. So instigating violence in our land is just to enrich himself, because he no get any other work. He know say if our place dey in peace, in business that color. No wonder. So all this garabanting, all this gara, all this Tigbos Ogbo, kill everybody, bomb police, kill this one. All these people just die for nothing though. They just die for nothing. They be mumu, they just die for nothing. For person who no get business, for person who no get work. How you gonna die for person who no get business? No be Biafra in they fight for. You go EU office, you can't go do Photoshop, you can't do video. Go there you say you don't carry Biafra, go EU. You go UN, can't go okay, Uche Mofana, let them do that one. Can't go do picture. Then they say they don't go UN. Why person where they fight for the thing, for whatever they fight, what carry you United Biafra case go United Nations? We never talk about him, we not insult him. Now they saw that was wicked because no be Nnamdi Kanu. Best way they talk about the Biafra. Best way they make things happen. Best way we confirm say we talk about Biafra. The UN they talk about Biafra through him. We never celebrate them. Now best way no get work. Now they celebrate. No wonder why he won't burn everywhere. He no even care. Person where in business crash no concern now. Because no get business. He no businessman. Na Yahoo. He they do. Now G man. Now he work he they do, now he scam. Our people go wise people go wise now because now the truth is coming out. Ndi boss na nri so kwa amadi ife siri. Onye go sego no okwu amarigo. Ma ndị DOS, ma Simon Ekpa, ma Fancha, they are all scam. They are all there for money. All these people shouting Biafra or dead outside country, they are all for money. None of them mean it. None of them are passionate about it. You see what I'm talking about? If you want to fight for your people, come back to your people and fight for them. Don't be in another man's land where you will not feel the impact, you will not feel the pulse, the problem, the challenges they are facing. Come back home and stay with them. That makes you a good revolutionist. You cannot be outside country and fight for your people because with that you cannot be a good revolutionist. A good revolutionist must be in his land, must be with the people to fight for the people. You cannot be another place to fight for your people. You must be feel what they feel, eat what they eat, sleep where they sleep, so that they will really know that yes, you are a good revolutionist. You see? Make we watch this video. Make we confirm am. Wait till they talk. Oh yeah, enter that.
IPOB is doing that. Which people am I fighting for their freedom? Is it not IPOB? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not have a business. IPOB takes care of everything that he wants. That is how it should be. Am I correct? That is why nobody can accuse Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of stealing any IPOB money, because IPOB provides, and he said he doesn't need car, he doesn't need house, and he doesn't have any one of this. I can swear with my life that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not have any property anywhere in the world. IPOB take care of him. So when people support the struggle I'm doing by providing data for me or recharge card, those enemies that I'm exposing their evil in the struggle, then you will see them come on their platform, begin to talk rubbish, say, hey, because they are sending you the charge card. If they don't send me the charge card, how do I get the charge card to do what I'm doing?